not within the four corner of the law.
Let's say the corporation has done a severe illegality.
Lordship.
But if tomorrow something happens,
So, well,
and 100 lives are at stake,
at least their subjective, objective satisfaction must be recorded. Lordship,
Mr.
kindly fix it
Counsel,
one day.
Minister Counsel, then also you will be arguing the law.
My lord, kindly.
Clear.
Law will come later.
Lordship.
First, the lives.
Absolutely, my lord.
First, the lives.
My lord, since we are taking risk, provided that in the case of a heritage building, the municipal commissioner may refer the state of condition thereof to the Heritage Conservation Committee for its consideration and decision. So, my lord, they are not believing their own people. Notice can be issued, my lord, under section 411(1) and thereafter, my lord, 412 to demolish it sometime in a particular premises which is declared as a heritage. Today, in collusion and nexus with the, my lord, the promoter and Kolkata Municipal Corporation employee, this could have been happened. As a result of which, in order to protect, my lord, the heritage building, even it is collapsed, on the verge of demolition, on the verge of collapse, my lord, they have decided to place it before the Heritage Conservation Committee.
To me, from your prayer, you have challenged the this.
No, I am not challenging it. This rider may kindly be looked into.
No
my
question.
Lord,
because the moment one building is directed to, is earmarked as heritage, the separate provisions under the statute work in.
True. My lord, in the case of, my lord, power to order removal of a dangerous building, if it is dangerous building, if it is collapsed, my lord, the question of the life.
Show me you have challenged the virus.
No, I am not challenging it. I am just drawing lordship attention.
No question of drawing attention.
Here, my lord, our humble submission to the extent 411, 30 days was given. The question of structural stability is yet to be ascertained.
We do not make your submission so high
Lordship.
that
Lordship.
unnecessarily the case of the petitioner will be caught.
Lordship. Our humble submission in this particular case,
you say 30 days statutory period. How come 13 days you are issuing?
Yes, and on the other hand, my lord, the structural stability question is to be looked into by the expert. And
yes, Mr. Ghosh.
You can see the condition of the building. You obtain the building sanction plan from the.
No, take the microphone. Let us read the statute.
The statute, my lord, you can see, my lord, dangerously tilting in one side. That is reported and published by the.
Show me the report.
They have annexes at page 27. At page P3.
Your report.
The report, the publication of the Indian newspaper. Publication in the newspaper.
No evidence at all.
That is
88 Supreme Court.
No, then photograph.
secondary evidence.
No evidence at all. 88 Supreme Court.
No, we have issued. We have stated why. For removing,
you show me your evidence. You show me your report. I will accept.
My evidence is this: that I have asked them 411(2) to come out from the premises.
No. Two things. This dangerous condition, tilting, this, that. You show me from your report. I will take it as an evidence. Newspaper is merely a hearsay. Not even secondary, sir. It's a hearsay. 88 Supreme Court, a clear bar.
Yes, ma'am.
You show me your expert's opinion, I will accept it. Then and there.
I will support the notice which has been issued by us.
Secondly,
my lord,
411(2) requests satisfaction of mind. Show me that.
Satisfaction of mind, you can see, my lord, that we have
satisfaction of mind means consideration of materials and application of mind. Show me that.
Matter. We do not want to take any risk by my officers because we have seen the visual observation. The building is tilting in one side, and that is the reason we have asked them to come out of the building because it cannot be preserved. It cannot be. They could not come out any report that it could be strengthened, it could be removed, it can be stand. But if a 5-story building is tilting in one side.
Acha, 1 second. Mr. Petitioner, what he is saying, it is a threat to the individual's life. right? You have also annexed a newspaper photograph. I may not rely on it. But after all, I am exercising equitable jurisdiction as well. So I will direct the occupiers to come out.
No, my lord, kindly not. My lord, we have prepared a, my lord, structural engineer.
Very well, then responsibility is yours.
Certainly, my lord. Certainly, my lord, it was published in the newspaper.
No.
My lord, it was only
Question of life threat.
my lord, it was published.
Question of life threat, question of serious casualty. Sorry.
The provision is there. They are to do work within the four corner of the law.
Sir,
Such
four
situation in
corner
the
of law,
Kolkata,
law will have to apply
lordship.
in a given situation.
My lord, subjective satisfaction.
No,
They have issued this
no.
notice, my lord.
If tomorrow
Not-
I will, so you undertake that your responsibility?
No, my lord, at the same time, my lord, we have, my
You
lord,
undertake,
no, my lord, kindly consider, my lord.
no question of
Even,
consideration.
my lord, we are residing there with our respective family. We are not in a position to go anywhere.
Sir,
My lord,
I will add the rider.
Even any
The
incident occurred,
corporation will have no responsibility.
only, my lord,
It is the responsibility of the developer and the occupier.
No, my lord, I'm accepting it. At the same time, my lord, I'm making this submission most humbly and with all humility. My lord, it was published in the newspaper. Then only, my lord, the corporation showing their active attitude.
Very well.
So, my lord, building regulation.
So taking
terms
cue
of-
from your submission, even if after publication the corporation takes steps,
Yes, my lord. Date may kindly be looked into
that
first.
will be according to you, fatal to for the corporation.
Yes, my lord.
But
Kindly see,
if tomorrow the building collapses, who will take the responsibility?
my lord, kindly see, my lord, the date of, my lord, the publication. Koto tarikhe?
Sir, I accept.
22nd April.
I accept everything.
Lordship.
You tell the court. If the building collapses tomorrow, who will take the
Lordship
responsibility?
was kind enough to indicate that. My lord, the newspaper report, kindly see page
I will
27.
not look at the newspaper
My
report.
lord, I'm also, my lord, that is our submission also.
Answer my question.
My lord, initially the newspaper published and then they have issued section 411(1) notice.
Very well, accepted.
Not two,
Accepted.
allowing me 30 days. No exercise of
Accepted.
mind.
Accepted. If tomorrow it collapses, you will take the responsibility.
Certainly, my lord, since we are residing there, subject to correction, my lord, since we are residing there, we don't have any other alternative.
Sorry, no.
Lordship, kindly, my lord,
Sorry, no.
record, my lord.
I will know. Temporarily, you have to go out, sir. Before the court, the lives are more important. Lives of
Kindly record our submission. Record our submission. We are responsible for that.
Then even I will direct.
Yes, my lord.
Then also I will direct.
So, my lord, they are to do within the four corner of the law, my lord.
Sir, I will direct. They will not demolish.
Lord,
But I will direct to file the report within 7 days.
Lordship.
But in the meantime, you will have to
No,
remove.
my lord, kindly see, my lord, 411 notice, they have directed us to repair. We are taking initiative to repair it. Meanwhile, they have 411 too.
You take step for repairing.
So,
But after
when
removing
the
the
411 2 notice is there, I cannot.
Very well.
If 411(1) notice is there,
Let me pass my order.
no, my lord, our humble submission may kindly be considered, my lord, the corporation cannot do, which is not within the four corner of the law.
Let's say the corporation has done a severe illegality.
Lordship.
But if tomorrow something happens,
So, my lord,
and 100 lives are at stake,
at least their subjective, objective satisfaction must be recorded. Lordship,
Mr.
kindly fix it
Counsel,
one day.
Minister Counsel, then also you will be arguing the law.
My lord, kindly see, my
If
lord.
something collapses tomorrow, you will argue the law.
My lord, subject to correction, it is a popular argument of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation as to what prompted them to issue notice 411(1) after this particular publication and allowed us 30 days time. My lord, we are taking all initiative to do the repairing work.
If something collapses, who will take the responsibility?
Well, certainly, my lord, since we are living there,
What I was suggesting,
Lordship,
temporarily you remove your occupier.
well, subject to the taking opinion of the expert. In the event expert says the immediate removal is needed, that to be my lord furnished by the
If
Kolkata
something
Municipal
happens
Corporation.
tomorrow, if something happens
No, my lord,
tomorrow,
cannot happen, my lord. We have taken opinion of an expert. They have very categorically stated what is to be done.
is it part of the repetition?
No, not. We have taken meanwhile, and we are taking all preparation to do, my lord, the repairing work. Let corporation come forward with a one-page report. It will be collapsed immediately. Let it be fixed on Monday, my lord. Let it be fixed on Monday. My objective satisfaction must be recorded.
Today or tomorrow or 1 month after, my lord, When it will fall, nobody could say that it will immediately.
A page- My lord, the satisfaction they have
No,
recorded.
I'm not saying anything.
But because my lord, I cannot take any responsibility. My lord, he can come with any case. In such a case, my lord, I will not take any responsibility.
I am not,
I find
I
my lord,
am not,
it
I
may
am not,
likely to fall. Therefore, I have issued.
I am not saying anything. I am not saying anything. I'll simply give you 7 days time to file a
Lordship,
report.
Lordship. Lordship. Or my lord, Monday it may be fixed, my lord. Subject Monday, subject to my
Monday, how
senior
did we
friends.
come up with a report?
My lord, tomorrow is Friday. Saturday is open to the Kolkata Municipal Corporation. Such a serious issue as my learned friend depicted over here. And they have recorded in their file. Objective satisfaction is to be recorded 411.2. Then my lord,
Sir,
411.4 may kindly be looked
sir,
into.
Clear.
Law will come later.
Lordship.
First, the lives.
Absolutely, my lord.
First, the
My lord,
lives.
since we are taking risk of residing there and taking opinion of our expert, of our expert,
How many flat owners are the party?
Two have come.
36 flat owners there.
Huh?
36 flat owners. Sir.
And you are for the two.
Two person have come.
You
You
are
are
for
taking the
the two.
responsibility.
It is not through the association also.
How could my lord
Yes,
present
since
this
there is no
application?
registered association, my lord, lordship kindly see our representation for a while, my lord. Kindly come to my lord page 30, 31.
Nothing doing, nothing doing.
Only 30, 31. All the my lord, the inmates have made signature. My lord, lordship kindly come to page
The
20.
petitioner has challenged the action of the corporation authority in issuing the notice under section 411 within bracket English 2 of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation Act 1980. The condition of the building may be ruinous and dangerous
Or likely to fall. That is the section. Or likely to fall.
or like to fall at any moment. Full stop. Any moment. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned counts from a full stop. আচ্ছা ওই উপরে চলে যান তো অলোক ঘোষের আগে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ দিন লার্নেড কাউন্সিল ফর দি পিটিশনার ফার্দার সাবমিটস they have already taken steps for stabilization and repairing of the subject building 1 lakh to be paid by the petitioners equally.
My lord, if it is repairable, remedial measure to be suggested by this appropriate authority.
Full stop.
My lord, kindly indicate. Kindly
কি
indicate.
বললাম
আপনারা তো চিন্তা- Kindly indicate. my lord.